Hi there folks, welcome back to the channel. We took a drive up to Hermanus and we stopped in at this caravan site, the Onrus campsite we're looking at down below. Very nicely organized, nicely set up, little roads, no gravel, it's neatly dressed roads, nice campsites under the milkwoods, yeah, indigenous milkwoods, lovely shelter and shade. The change rooms and ablutions were very neat and tidy, nice and clean, ample for all the people living there. Look at the shade that they include in some of the houses or caravans there. Really nice. There are some permanent residents, that's why I call them houses. What a beautiful place. We thoroughly enjoyed it. I do recommend it. It was not expensive. We stayed there on a Monday, Tuesday and a Wednesday. The weather was fantastic. It's the beginning of autumn. There was no wind. Yeah, look at that. That's Onrus River over there, by the way, flowing into Onrus River mouth. Very nice, tidy suburb with the backdrop of the Hermanus Mountains. Vermont in the distance there. Yeah, coming back now towards Davy's Pool and the public marine footpath over there, which is very well kept. Very nice indeed. Yeah, look how almost secretive those milkwoods make the area look. It looks like a Lord of the Rings hideaway really under those trees. If you like the smell of milkwood, you'll enjoy it. I love the smell of the ocean and the milkwood trees. It just has that South African feel to it that we all enjoy. Yeah, there's actually tents and caravans underneath those bushes. Can you believe it? Yeah, now you can see them clearly. Look at that. The pool, the water was about 14 degrees today. There's a coffee shop just down below at Davy's Pool. Coffee was only 25 Rand for an Americano. And it came in a glass mug too. I asked for that. It always tastes better like that, doesn't it? Anyway, thanks for watching. And I do recommend Onrus Campsite. If you get a chance, pop up there. It's only an hour's drive from Cape Town.